Action. Good morning, class. This is it. We've got it. Are we ready? The official unboxing of your book. Ooh, it took all my strength not to open this, so I left it here during the freeze. So I didn't open it. So we'll be seeing it for the first time together. Open the box. I know, I'm so excited. Anybody want to help me? Oh, got it. It's so exciting. Excuse me, Kate. Okay. Here it is. You getting a picture of it? Okay, you ready? Oh, look. You ready? Get a good shot. Not me, the box. Yeah. Get a good shot of it. Yes. Ready? It's just like you did it. Look. Oh my gosh.
All my way.
Okay. Order more copies online. So for parents who said they didn't want one, right? Or if you forgot your paper or whatever, there's hope. You can now once they see the video, right? They might change their mind. So it says order more books, copies online. The perfect gift for grandparents, aunts, uncles. See back page for special limited time offer. And it's studenttreasures.com/order copies. Take a picture. You know what? Should I take a picture and put it online? Mm-hmm. I will write, you know what I'll do? I will write the URL down for you so that they can order copies. Written, okay. The night before Halloween, written and illustrated by who? Mrs. Carter's class.
Mrs. Carter 3A class.
Written by
Mrs. Carter class, Westbell School 21st.
All right. Let's open it. It's blue. By Mrs. Carter's reading class 3A. I'm going to hand it to you guys in a second. Let me just go through it. Oh my goodness, we're about to have fun. Dedicated to our friends and family. Right? That's what you guys said. I just get so nervous I can't turn the pages. Pages? Turn the page.
I wrote that.
You know, the old days you just lick your finger, but now I'm scared. Yeah. Okay, I guess that's it.
That's my part right
So
there.
the first page, the green part didn't show up. But it's the text messaging, right? It says Naya at 3:05 to Antonio. Hey guys, when are we going to pick up our costumes? Naya, 4 o'clock. No. Wait a second. It's this way. Wait, how did you write it? Did you write it up and down or right and left? I forgot.
Right and left.
It was right and left.
Yeah.
Okay, so here we go. Hey guys, when are we going to pick up our costumes? 4 o'clock works for me at Halloween Spirit. I'm going to be there, but I'm going to be late. Alexandra says, I'm coming, but I'm bringing Bruce. Antonio says, has anyone heard from Travis? Naya says, no. Alexandra, I think he got his phone taken. Travis, hey guys, I'm here. I was doing the dishes. The 5 friends are Antonio, Naya, Terrence, Travis, and Alexandra. They've been friends since they were in pre-K. Now they're in the 7th grade. They have made their decision on what they are wearing for Halloween. They're so excited to get to wear their costumes. Antonio is a scary clown. Naya is a Barbie doll. Terrence's costume is Ghostface. Travis is Chucky, and Alexandra is dressed as a ladybug. The 5 friends all attend New Orleans Middle School. They have the same classes and teachers, and they are doing well because they study together and help each other through tough times. like when Alexandra was suffering with anxiety. They all went with her to choose her service dog. They named him Bruce. Bruce is a golden retriever, and his fur is super soft and comforting. Ooh, look at the illustration of Halloween spirit. Okay. Then, the 5 friends have chosen their costumes and are on their way home. Let's ding dong ditch, y'all, says Terrence with a sneaky smile. They all say, okay, but which house should we do? They all shout at once, Monster Man's! After a quick round of 1 potato, 2 potato, Antonio is picked to do the deed. As he is walking slowly to Monster Man's house, Monster Man is in quotes, he is thinking about what will happen if he answers. Maybe he will take him in and eat him or cook him for dinner. He's terrified. With a trembling finger, he rings the bell and runs away. Hey guys, Alex says. Yeah, they shout. Cut through the cemetery. Yeah, they shout, and start toward the New Orleans Gates Cemetery. Page 5. Ooh, and then we see a picture here of a headstone. And it says, R.I.P. stands for Rest in Peace, Laura Jensen. Born October 31st, 2006. Died October 30th, 2014. So she passed on the day before Halloween. It says, you are truly missed, sweet angel.
Hello, excuse me.
Yes.
Hey, can I have Kay Chamber at the clinic?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
It's all on video, Kay. Go to the clinic. You'll get the video. I'll put it in Google Classroom. Monster Man, in quotes, got this nickname from the neighborhood kids because of how grouchy and mean he had become toward them. He would yell at them to get off his grass and to stay away from his house. Rumors started that he would bury you alive if he caught you on his property. His real name is His real name is Harold Jensen, and he does work at the New Orleans Gate Cemetery, but he is not a monster. He is actually a good guy, but he is just so sad because of the loss of his only daughter, Laura. One day, Laura was playing a game the kids call Ding Dong Ditch. She rang a neighbor's doorbell and ran before they could answer the door. She ran into the street and was hit by a car. Unfortunately, she did not survive. Her father was devastated, and now, during the fall, the day before Halloween is the worst time of all for the sad and lonely Mr. Harold Jensen. The kids pushed through the old rusty gates that lead to the cemetery. They saw a tall, shadowy figure in the distance. Hey, I brought you some flowers. Your favorite flowers. It's sunflowers. I really, really miss you. I wish you were here. I have not had a chance to come and see you. I've been very lonely since you left my side. I couldn't bring myself to celebrate your favorite night. I've been having flashbacks of that terrible night. I still read your favorite bedtime story. I should have stopped you. I should have told you not to go outside. Now, there's no joy in my life. I can't even enjoy Halloween anymore. Not with you, without you. Not ever again. Mark wrote a lot of that part. Oh, okay, we'll talk about who wrote what. Okay, continue, my bad. Excuse me, mea culpa. Hey guys, you did hear that girl hey guys, commas are important. We'll talk about that in later. Hey guys, did you hear that girl Monster Man was talking about yesterday night? I feel bad for him, but I heard him saying it was his daughter. It must be hard for him. What can we do? We can all meet up at his house with our costumes, with sunflowers. And Bruce. The next day, they all show up to his house with sunflowers and their costumes on with Bruce. They knock on Mr. Harold's door with it should be Mr. Jensen's, but they knock on Mr. Harold's door with the sunflowers. He opens the door. The kids greet him. They hand him the sunflowers. He takes them and he lets the kids into his house. The kids apologize to him for what happened to his daughter. He starts getting emotional, and Bruce goes to lay by him, and he is comforted. The end. Meet the authors. So we got Janijah Ross, Alcide Morris, Rashawn Nichols, Tanaya Harris, Eviana Lemons, Mark Randolph, Keegan Cooper, Talasia Stewart, Brian Andrews, Mikhail Malloy, Doran Stevens, and Kay Chambers. And then I'll send you the link. Oh, maybe I can pull this out. It says, "Dear parent, we think you will agree that this is an exceptional book. A tremendous amount of time and effort went into creating this book. The students learned a great deal about the publishing process while they improved their vocabulary and writing skills. Plus, being a young published author gives a sense of pride and accomplishment. Your child is very fortunate to have a teacher who provides innovative activities that enhance their educational experience. We know you and your child will cherish this lifetime keepsake. Enjoy." So what I can do, you guys, is copy this letter, and then next day or next time I see you, I'll give you a copy, and then we will write the URL where it says order more copies online. Okay, so isn't that good news? Mm-hmm. Now, at first they said you had to pre-order, but now they're giving us a chance to order. And I bet after your parents see the video that they'll want to order one. Let me just say, this was all student done. What I did was just help them clean up some of the grammar and the punctuation a little bit. And I left a few typos as well because, yeah. Anyway, raise your hand if you had a hand in choosing the title. And Shania.
Yeah.
They came up with the title. Oh, and Mikhail. They decided what the title was. The characters, raise your hand everybody. We all spend a lot of time on Class on the Grass outside discussing the characters. Remember that? So everyone contributed. And then the actual handwriting, Alcide did some, Janijah did some, Mark, Doran, and then I had to clean it up a bit, but I did not change what the students had written. I just made it a little more legible. We are so proud. Now, Brian, you ready to party? Are we ready? So what should we say? Okay, we are published authors on 3. We are published authors. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
We are published authors.